friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about COUGAR Purity RGB case. So friend, the COUGAR has announced the release of its COUGAR brand mini tower PC case and the COUGAR Purity RGB. So friend, it is a sleek and charming mini tower PC case. And friend, according to the company, it is designed to be functional and minimalistic case with an ARGB LED strip on the left side of the front panel for added illumination, and the left side also features a 3 mm thick tempered glass with a hinge, and the case features tri-base for 3.5-inch Z/2 and 2.5-inch Z/2, and it also includes cooling options such as front 120mm x 2, top 120mm x 2, rear 120mm x 1, and built-in 120mm ARGB fan at the rear, and it can accommodate CPU coolers up to 160mm high, graphics card up to 305mm long, and power supply units up to 160mm deep. And friend, it is compatible with MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, and the case comes in black and white color options. And friend, if I talk about pricing, the market price is yet to be announced. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.